Coming up on tomorrow's teachings.
Chicken and watermelon, we heard you like that.
You will be staying in here with me. You're just like your mother. I love you.
Thank you for changing me. I'm gonna go play pickleball now.
We caught one, and he's a good one.
He is our boy.
Yes, he is.
He's our new toy.
Oh boy.
So, are you excited, nervous, both?
For what?
Tuma, the foreign exchange student that we're having.
Oh, that's right. He's coming today?
He is. The taxi's going to be here any minute.
He took a taxi all the way from Africa? Isn't that pretty far?
Oh my God. No, taxi from the airport. That's him.
Come on, hurry. It's almost here. Good. Come on.
How do I look?
Oh, you look great.
Okay.
Ah! Hello. Welcome to our home.
I'm Susie Tuma. It's so nice to meet you.
Hello, nice to meet you. I am Tuma Nene.
Oh,
Okay. It's very nice to meet you, Tuma. Yep. I'm Daryl.
Nice to meet you. Thank you for having me. I'm very excited to learn about your culture.
so Tuma, help yourself to any food, any water, anything at all, okay? I'm sure your master told you already. I mean, your manager. I'm sure he told you already that we're going out of town for the evening.
Yes, he told me.
Yes, but don't worry. You won't be alone. We've got our daughter here for you, Isabel. Well, I mean, she's not here for you, but I mean, she's here. You won't be lonely. But speaking of for you, we got you chicken and watermelon. We heard you like that.
Oh, yes, I like.
Well, we don't want to hit traffic, so we should be going, okay? Oh, bye, Isabel. We love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi, I'm Tuma Nene.
What did you say?
I'm Tuma Nene.
Wow, this is America and we don't use weird sounds for names.
Oh, well, in my country,
Why do you have such a big bag? Is it filled with watermelons or something?
they are just my clothes.
Anyways, you will be staying in here with me because all the other rooms are filled with junk. But I did make you a bed.
On the floor?
Yeah, I wanted to remind you of home.
Okay.
these times of American soul-searching, the Klan is not quite the secret society it was. To many Americans, white and black, the bad dream is back. this ceremonial carriage.
Why are you doing this to me? Let me go!
Shut up, you coon.
Please! Ah! Please! Will you at least give me some food to eat? I'm starving.
Very well. You should be well fed at least. Hi, good boy. Get Good boy. You're such a good boy, Niga.
What did you call me?
Niga, you're my pet gorilla now?
You can't do this to me. I am human. This is crazy. This is a crazy house.
You're such a funny monkey. The collar doesn't come off until I say it comes off. And if you misbehave, that is what happens. Come on, Niga.
What did you call me?
Niga, you're my pet monkey now.
No, that is not my name.
Yeah, it is. Now stop being bad and come on.
I am a human. You cannot treat me like this. This is crazy. This is a crazy house.
Fine, here. You want a banana?
I do not want a banana.
Oh, you're gonna eat the f***ing banana. Or else this.
Please, no.
Come on.
You didn't have to keep him in a cage.
What else was I supposed to do while you guys were gone? Plus, I heard him sneaking around upstairs at night. Had to teach him a lesson somehow.
You're just like your mother. I love you.
Aw. He didn't happen to go in my room, did he?
Probably.
Fine. Is he already under anesthesia?
Yep.
Good. Always at the wrong time. Hello? Uh-huh. Yeah, oh, hi, Grandmaster. Yes, I'm working on him now. Yep, just about to do the first cut. Yes. You want 4 kids this week? Oh my God, it's hard enough to get these African kids. I've already got 4 of them coming in this week. It's expensive to brainwash these black kids, you know? Yeah. The white power global launch thing. Yeah, I got it. Everyone's gonna be white soon. No worries. Yeah, that's right. White power to you. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I'll see you soon, Grand Wizard. Mm-hmm. Yeah. In a couple weeks. All right. Bye-bye. Oh, demanding. Okay, where were we? Now, you're going to be a little sore for a little while, but that'll go away. And there's no need to talk. There's nothing to say right now. You look perfect. You look perfect. I fixed you. You're a true American now. Your face is a little sore from the surgery, but there's a taxi waiting outside for you. They're going to take you to the sanctuary, full of boys just like you. It's a good place. Now tomorrow, I want you to meet me in the woods for a ceremony where we're going to indoctrinate you into our family. Me and a few other guys will wait for you by the path, and then we'll go into the crowd, okay? Ah, yes. My creation. Yeah, that's beautiful. You're looking amazing today.
Thanks. You too.
Wow, cool.
I like it.
Yeah, it's good. I like you got a good point on the top of your head.
So you think the Grand Wizard's gonna hang another today?
Oh, I certainly hope so. My God, oh, I've been waiting for this all day. You know, but first we're gonna have the new initiation, the new initiates coming in. You know, it's a white launch power day.
Your new kid.
Yeah, the new kid. Yeah, he's gonna be here today too. Oh, as a matter of fact, that might be him. It's hard to tell. Everyone's white. Is that Tuma? John?
Hurry, brothers! Come!
Guys, come on, Grandmaster's calling us.
All right, we'll see you guys in there. Hey, make sure you save some coleslaw and an avocado sandwich for me. Thanks. Oh, what are you doing?
Whoa, I thought he was supposed to be brainwashed.
Oh.
I am supposed to be brainwashed, but I guess your techniques did not work on me.
But John, it's me. It's me. Put the gun down.
I know what you do. You take kids from Africa and you turn them white. You brainwash them. You get them to join your sick cult. Yeah, that's right. I was awake during the surgery. I heard everything and I know everything now. You turned me white. My hair, my looks, my voice, the way I walk, you literally changed everything about me as a person. But you know, one thing I still have is this, my mind. And I'm gonna use it to take out every single one of you b****s.
John, put the gun down.
This is for my Africans, motherfucker. Die, you racist pigs! I hate you all! I hope you all die! Die, you racist pigs!
Tuma emerges from the ashes, his new abilities sparking retaliation against the KKK, reclaiming what was once lost. Now a seeker and hero, Tuma saves countless lives, inspiring hope and igniting change in the face of adversity.
What's up, guys? This is Oliver from Tomorrow's Teachings. We hope you guys learned something from our new video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe to Tomorrow's Teachings, and also check out our Patreon. Have a good one.